Christiana here, and I have someone very special to show you guys. Who do you think it is? It's an animal friend. Should I give you a hint? My animal friend has 4 legs. Is that an animal with 4 legs? No, that's a bird. That's Aspen, the red-tailed hawk. Let's see. My animal friend also has a shell. What animal has a shell?
It's Chippy! He's here to say hi. Look at him following the finger. He's so happy. Chippy has 4 legs and he has a shell. His shell is the same as our backbone. If you took your hands and placed them down your back, you would feel little bumpies there. That is your backbone, and that helps you move and play and dance. And that is the same for Chippy here. His shell is his backbone. So without that, he would not be able to swim around like he's doing right now. If there's a predator nearby or an animal that thinks he might be a tasty snack, what he would do is he would tuck in his legs and his head deep into his shell so that he can be protected. We're going to say goodbye to Chippy now. Bye, Chippy. And we're going to say hello to another animal friend.
Hi, friends. This is Belle. She is a yellow-bellied slider. Is she bigger or is she smaller than Chippy? She is a lot bigger. Look at her underwater. They can hold their breath for a pretty long time. Look at her. Yeah, so she gets the name Yellow-bellied slider because what color is her belly? Yellow. Bye, Belle. That was pretty cool. Alright, friends, those are all the animal friends I have for you today, but I will see you next time with another animal friend.